In election year, it's the BJP versus the BJP in Rajasthan, with the 1000 megawatts thermal power plant in Barmer running into rough weather. Farmers in the area are determined not to give up the land for the power project, billed as Rajasthan's biggest. But the government needs 8,000 hectares of land. But that's not just it. A host of environmental concerns are also being raised about it. But for the Vasundhara government, it's not these, but it's BJP MP Manavendra Singh who is taking on the government on the issue, creating fissures within the party.
Barmer on the boil. The reason, a proposed lignite power plant in this region, for which the Rajasthan government wants to acquire 8,000 hectares of land at the cost of making 40,000 people homeless. But what's making it even more complicated for the Vasundhara government is the presence of one of its own MPs, Manavendra Singh, spearheading this agitation.
Acquisition of land is done under provisions of law which were created by an imperial power, a colonial system of governance. In 1894, we are still continuing with that in 2008. 21st century India is acquiring land for various purposes in a completely authoritarian, anti-democratic manner.
Strong words that are bound to ruffle the state government. At 1080 megawatts, this is billed as one of Rajasthan's biggest power plants. For Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje, it's a prestige issue, as the government says it will meet a large part of the state's growing power needs. Right now, the government buys electricity at rupees 10 per unit. This power plant will supply electricity at rupees 2.5 per unit. But Manavendra is refusing to budge, leading to an embarrassing standoff for the party in an election year.
और मुझे लगता है कि 10 दिन में 2 मीटिंग में सारी समस्याएं हल हो जाएगी। मैं 2-3 बार मानवेंद्र जी से मिल चुका हूं, मानवेंद्र जी से चर्चा हुई है, मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी चर्चा हुई है।
There are many dimensions to the kind of development that is being planned here. On the one hand, power is crucial for industrial progress. But at the same time, people here will have to forego water for industries while they don't have enough water for drinking.
12% of water from the Indira Gandhi Canal, 82 cusecs, has been reserved for the power plant alone. That's enough drinking water for vast parts of Barmer. But despite the irrationality of a water-intensive plant in one of Rajasthan's most arid districts, the government is moving ahead with the acquisition process. But people are determined not to give up their land, and Barmer looks set for a clash that may escalate. In Barmer, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.